So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, how would you know about the part 2 when it comes out? How would you know? Good morning guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I literally just woke up. Travel vlog! Guys, I'm super excited because it's been so long I had a travel vlog and it's currently 9:50 a.m. I'm actually working with time and I think I'm good. I need to be in the shower at 10 because I need to get out of the shower, get ready. My train is 12 o'clock and I need to catch the bus that is leaving at 11:24. Guys, I time myself so much. I need to leave the house and catch the 11:24 bus. My house is 3 minutes from the bus stop, so that's not bad one. So it means I need to be out of the house at 11:19, 11:15. I've cleared out all the beans, I've washed the plates, the house is clean. I just want to take a shower, do my skincare and get ready to go. It's currently 15 minutes past 10. I'm doing well so far. I'm flying on Saturday, but I just wanted to take you guys along with my travel prep and everything. And guys, I'll tell you something funny. There's a girl in Lagos that has been doing my nails when I used to live in a certain area. And tell me why I just went online to TikTok and I was looking for like nail artist in Manchester and she popped up. I was like, oh my god, you're now in Manchester? And she was like, yeah. So I'm really excited to see her to do my nails because she used to do my nails back in the days and she's really good. One of the things I struggle with the most in Bristol is finding a good nail artist. So I'm so happy. I've decided to stop doing my nails in Bristol. If I must do my nails, I'll do something basic, nothing serious, just acrylics and gel paint. I haven't done so much skincare, to be honest, because I just feel like I was planning to do like full-on skincare, but I was like, you know what, let me just leave it, let my face breathe. I just put like a face moisturizer. I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig. It's been so long I've done a travel vlog. I'm actually really excited. I don't know, for some reason, one time I was just like, you know what, I don't want to do travel vlogs anymore because I don't really travel alone. So sometimes it takes away from the experience from the people that I'm traveling with. But this time I've decided, that's why I decided to like have my own room, do my own thing. So I'm not like inconveniencing like my friend and everything. Like back in the days, we'll stay in one room and it could be very tiring, to be honest, like having someone like have your camera in your face every time is really stressful. So I feel like getting my place was a really good idea because that way he doesn't inconvenience anyone, you know. So I'm just filming in my room. I'm convinced that Instagram sometimes listens to our conversation. I wanted to do a side swoop and I was like, oh my god, I don't know how to do a side swoop. Like, god, I was like, I wish I could see like a short video of someone doing a side swoop that I could see. And tell me why I opened Instagram and the next thing I saw was a side swoop video. I was like, what the hell, this is creepy as hell. I have 9 minutes to get out of this house. 9 minutes. I don't know how 3 hours became 9 minutes. As you can see, your girl is rushing. You gotta leave the house in 11 minutes. In 9 minutes, there's gonna be a problem. Literally. Actually, 8 minutes left. 8 minutes left. Good thing is I'm all packed and ready. Stop freaking out. Everything is packed up. I just need to get out of the house. That's it. Let's go. Only thing I don't turn off when I'm traveling is fridge, because obviously your girl's got food in there. Guys, I made it safely to Manchester. This is my hotel room. Nothing really to show. It's just a very basic accommodation. I didn't go for anything glamorous or anything expensive because I barely just needed somewhere to stay before I fly. My journey to Manchester, it was smooth, but the train was so full. Like, I'm just happy that I had somewhere to sit. I'm just now going to do my nails. I was lucky enough to book a nail appointment with the lady I told you guys about. It's at 4 p.m. It's currently 3:40, so I'm just booking a taxi. I'm just gonna leave now. Gonna see in a bit together. So I'm finally here to do my nails. The apartments in Manchester are just really beautiful. Because what? It looks stunning. I definitely have seen better days, guys. I am super tired. By the way, today is Friday and it's currently 1:41 p.m. I'm having a banging headache. I'm gonna take Panadol right after this video. I woke up today and just went straight to breakfast. I went to Cafe 19. Cafe 19 is like one of my favorite restaurants in Manchester. I think I've done a video of them on TikTok before. I was so tired. I had so much to eat and I ended up not liking what I ate. Right now I'm back to my hotel room. I'm gonna take a nap and then I'm gonna go shopping. Let's see if shopping will lighten up my mood. Just have a look at a few things. I need to buy a few groceries. I don't have like roll-ons, armpit spray, body scrubs, stuff like that. Buy a few things and then buy an airport outfit. Guys, I don't have anything to wear to the airport, so I'm thinking at opening that I'll be able to get something nice. So let's go. Actually, if I sleep, I feel like I might end up getting really tired and end up not going. I'll rather like go now, get it out of the way and know that I don't have anything to do. And that's what I've decided to do. So I'm dressed up. We're gonna go to 2 malls in Manchester. I just entered a pre-loved items shop. My mic. I actually feel so sick, guys, but I ended up buying this essentials. We're gonna unbox it when I get home. I'll show you guys what's inside. Ignore my wig, guys. I know it's not laid, but that's besides the point. Let's just quickly unbox the things I bought. The first thing I bought is this tights from Flannels. It's actually essentials, fear of God. I wanted to buy like the bottoms and the top for my airport outfit, but they didn't have any bottoms in my size. But this tights, it is thick and they were doing 20% off, so I jumped in it. The next thing I bought was MAC concealer. I actually don't have any concealer. I do have concealer. I used to have like about 3 or 4 concealers at the time, so I don't have any concealer that is my exact shade. I had to grab one, so I bought this concealer. I bought something from Dior. Guys, I wanted to buy a bracelet because I'm actually working on my stacks. I really love like accessories, so I'm trying to build like a collection. This one is from, is this Swarovski? This one is from Fendi. And now I've gotten a new one from Pristine Dior. So let's have a look at what this one looks like. I really like this one. Quite simple, but I love it. Packaging is so cute though. I don't know, did they pour perfume inside this? Because it's annoying. Oh my gosh, this is it. It looks so cute. Just expand that and then just put it on. The last thing, no, not the last thing actually. The next thing I got is this cute nightwear set from M&S. I actually don't have any nightwear sets, which is not good. This is really cute. I'm gonna wear this in the hotel to go downstairs. The next thing that I got is This hoodie, I've wanted it for the longest time. It is so cute. This one, and then I got the tights to match. Can you see how it looks? Quality. Anyways, guys, now I'm just gonna take a shower. Sleep. Like, I feel like my head is about to explode, and I'm not even joking. Anyways, guys, I'll chat to you guys later. I think this is all you hear from me today. I might be going out tonight, which is really usually a bad idea to go out a day before you fly, but now I'm just going to like arrange my bag, put all my things together, because I had some things that can't go in hand luggage, in my hand luggage, just because I knew I was coming to like the hotel. So I'll just separate all those things, pack for real, for real, for real. And I'll see you guys tomorrow before my flight. Bye. Good morning, guys. It's travel day and I'm fully dressed. I'm wearing this wig. I was gonna wear like a frontal wig, my black frontal wig. I was like, nobody has time to be laying any wig down. But this is the full fit. Really nice. My essentials, cards, my essentials. What do you guys think? Anyways, I'm really late. My flight is at 8 and it's currently like almost 6. So I need to start getting. Bye. So guys, we've landed. If you want to see where we at, oh sorry, no, please, yeah, please. We're finally here, and if you want to know what I get to, myself and my girl, stay tuned and watch out for part 2. I'm super excited. We finally made our holiday, girl. Hey guys, we're finally landed. Thank God for safe journey. If you want to know what I get to, me and my girl, make sure you subscribe. If you aren't already subscribed, hit the subscribe button now, because part 2 we're going to be talking about what I get to, hotel tours. So let's go.